The Election Commission of India has announced a strict ban on exit polls for the upcoming assembly elections scheduled this month. According to the Commission, exit polls can neither be conducted nor broadcast from 7 am on April 9th until 6:30 pm on April 29th. This restriction applies to all 5 assembly elections taking place during this period. The Commission has also issued a strong warning stating that conducting or publishing exit polls during this period will violate Section 126A of the Representation of People Act 1951. Such violations are punishable with imprisonment of up to 2 years, a fine, or both. As per the election schedule, polling will be held in Kerala, Assam, and Puducherry on April 9th. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu will go to polls on April 23rd and West Bengal will conduct voting in 2 phases on April 23rd and April 29th. The Election Commission also clarified the enforcement of the 48-hour silence period during which campaigning must stop ahead of polling. In Kerala and Puducherry, the silence period will begin at 6 pm on Tuesday, while in Assam, it will start earlier at 5 pm. The silence period means that all campaign activities must stop 48 hours before the end of voting in a constituency or state. During this time, only door-to-door campaigning by a limited number of party workers or candidates is permitted. All other forms of campaigning are strictly prohibited. However, the Commission acknowledged that enforcing these rules in the digital age remains challenging. Polling is generally conducted between 7 am to 6 pm. Although the timing may vary depending on terrain and security conditions. With the elections approaching, the Election Commission has urged all stakeholders to strictly follow the guidelines and ensure free and fair polls.